Hi guys, I'm back with another video on LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 tools that can take away the donkey work and enable automation for your LinkedIn marketing. Some of these tools that I'm going to reveal are really powerful and they focus at solving 2 critical problems that every marketer has to face. First, easily find and connect with your target audience. Second, effective bulk communication for free. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve both of these problems, so make sure you watch it till the end. In my last video about LinkedIn, I told you guys some really cool hacks. I truly appreciate the amount of engagement the video generated. A lot of you guys messaged me that the so-called magical link has stopped working. And that's correct guys, but that's how it is. You always have to be active and keep looking for hacks. Also, LinkedIn changed their interface, so a lot of you people were not able to download their connections. That's why I wanted to make an updated video so that I can share some other tools that can make LinkedIn marketing easy for you. Let's begin with the first tool, Linked Helper. This tool is truly magical guys. Let me tell you some of the things that you can do with this tool. You can get thousands of targeted contacts by sending personalized invitation requests to all of your second and third degree connections. You can send bulk messages to all of your first degree connections. You can set up autoresponder, which will send messages to your recently added contacts. You can also send group messages to all of the group members at once. It also has some other amazing features. You can visit their website for more details. The link is in the description section. Now let's have a quick tour and see the tool in action.
You can install the Chrome extension from their website linkedinhelper.com. Once you have the extension, visit LinkedIn. You will see the LinkedIn Helper widget. Now we will first collect our second and third degree connections. So press on the button Collect. Then you can decide from which page you want to collect. Like I will for now click on Go to General LinkedIn page. Then you can use these filters to find your target audience. Like if I want to connect with fellow digital marketers, I can write digital marketing here in the title and then click on Apply. Then click on Collect. Now you can see it has started. It has already collected contacts from the first page and moved to the second page. So you can let it run for some time in another tab and continue with your work. Once all your contacts are collected, you will be able to see under Already Collected. Then you have to draft a well-written personalized message. You can also put links if required. Then click on Invite. Then click on Start Profile Inviting. It will start the work. It will visit all collected contacts and send them personalized invitation requests. Once done, you can click on Stop Profile Inviting. Wasn't this amazing guys? Let me know in the comment section. Now let me quickly show you how to send personalized messages to all your first degree contact at once. Under Message to First Connection, click on Collect. Then click on Go to All My Connections page. Now you can set up your filters if required. Once done, simply click on Collect. Now you can see it has started the work. You will be able to see the number of recipients. Once all your target audience is collected, click on Collect to stop it. And then move into the message section to frame a personalized message. Write your subject and then the message. Click on Save and then move into Broadcast section. Then simply click on Start Message Broadcast. Now you can see it will actually visit each contact and send them your message. This is really cool, and the good part is the tool keeps working even if you change your tab. Similarly, you can send messages to an entire group. All you need to do is choose Go to My Group page. Then select your group and click on Members. Then repeat the same process that I just showed you. first collect all group members and then send them the message.
The next tool that I would like to show you is called Drumup. Drumup can help you find and curate top content in your industry. This can drastically reduce your social media management time. You can add multiple accounts and reach more with hashtag recommendations.
You can sign in using your LinkedIn account. Then add a content stream. Then click on Get Content Suggestions for Keywords. Then add your keywords like I add growth hacking and then click on Build Content Stream. Done. Then click on your stream to see content suggestions. Drumup mines through tons of content across the web in real time and uses sophisticated algorithms to recommend fresh stories most relevant to your audience. You can one-click schedule them. It will automatically post it and show you the date and time here. In case you want to reschedule it, click on Edit. Now you can reschedule it on any date and time you like. It will also recommend some hashtags and mentions. You can use them to increase your reach. They also have a Chrome extension to speed up your social media marketing.
The final tool that I have for you today is called Skrapp. Through Skrapp, you will be able to collect email IDs of your target prospects. This really helps for cold email marketing. You will be able to build an accurate cold email marketing list. These emails can also be used for Facebook and Google Ads.
You can easily sign up using your LinkedIn account. Install Skrapp Chrome extension. Then let's click on Create List. Give your list an appropriate name so you can easily understand what this list is about. Like if you want to connect with SEO professionals, I will name this list as SEO Professionals. Click on Create List. Then open LinkedIn. In the search bar, find your audience by using relevant keywords. So I write here SEO and hit enter. You can use these filters to narrow down your audience. Like as of now, I only want to look at people working in SEO industry, so I click on people. Then hover upon export page results and click on export to list. Choose your list from the drop down menu. Then you will see this option of pages to export. So in the free version, you will have to manually change the pages, whereas the paid version will let you extract emails from multiple pages. Then I like to check save leads with found emails only. Then click on save results in list. Then you can see here it was able to find 3 emails. Similarly, I do it for the next page. It was able to find 4 emails. To see these emails, click on my list. Here you can see all your leads. You can also import them in a CSV file.
So that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you learned something useful today. If you think so, make sure you hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out and keep up with this ever-changing digital marketing landscape. Take care. I'll see you guys in my next video. There's no doubt that Facebook is this incredible platform and everybody wants to